What if the one thing ruining your guest's five-star experience was the laundry? In the world of vacation rentals and hospitality, every detail matters, and nothing destroys guest satisfaction faster than stained sheets, rough towels, or inconsistent turnaround times. That's where Mountain Fresh Laundry steps in. We're not just a laundry service. We're your behind-the-scenes partner, making sure every stay feels luxurious, clean, and unforgettable. Imagine never worrying again about late turnovers, missing linens, or the endless mountain of laundry that grows with every booking. With Mountain Fresh Laundry's short-term rental laundry service, your VRBOs, Airbnbs, cabins, and luxury rentals stay guest-ready every single time. We handle the entire process with commercial-grade precision, from pickup to delivery, ensuring your linens look crisp, smell fresh, and impress your guests the moment they walk in. Now, if you manage a hotel, motel, lodge, or resort, you already know how crucial consistency is. Our commercial laundry service is designed for operations that can't afford delays or quality slip-ups. We process high volumes with the same care and attention to detail your brand promises, whether it's sheets, towels, robes, or specialty items. Mountain Fresh Laundry ensures everything returns spotless, soft, and perfectly folded, ready to elevate your guest experience. What sets us apart? Reliability, capacity, and a genuine commitment to your business growth. We understand how busy managers are, how demanding turnovers can become, and how hard it is to keep standards high during peak seasons. That's why our team operates with professional-grade equipment, streamlined logistics, and a service model built around your schedule, not the other way around. Need same-day or next-day service? Done. Need multiple property pickups? Covered. Need a partner who treats your linens like their own? That's Mountain Fresh Laundry. We help property managers reclaim their time, reduce stress, and deliver five-star stays without the chaos behind the scenes. When your laundry is handled with excellence, your reputation grows, your reviews improve, and your guests keep coming back. So if you're a vacation rental manager, VRBO host, hotel operator, or resort manager, it's time to level up your hospitality game. Mountain Fresh Laundry, where clean meets convenience, and your guests feel the difference. Visit mountainfreshlaundry.com and let us take the load off, literally.